Hey, welcome back to another episode of Saigon Cribs. I have a brand new apartment that's available on the market right now. So if you're looking for a good 2-bedroom apartment in the heart of Ho Chi Minh City, you can get to downtown District 1 in 5 minutes. This is the apartment for you. Check it out. What's up, everybody? We are back at Saigon Cribs with another awesome 2-bedroom, 2-bath apartment that has just hit the market. So we're going to give you this nice brief tour and let's go right in. Now, as you first walk into the entry of the door, you do have the keyless entry with your keypad, key fob. You do have your shoe rack here, so you can come in, put your shoes down, put your keys down and things of that nature, and extra storage here at the entry. This is also where your main internet Wi-Fi boxes are that routes throughout the entire house that connects to every TV and Ethernet port. This is your main power surge protector is there as well. So let's get right into the apartment. So we got a fully equipped kitchen, really nice spacious kitchen, lots of counter space, nice bar counter here. You can switch this up. You know, this has a nice dining room table here, but you can put bar seating here instead. Make this a little bit more spacious if you want to do something like that. Walking into the kitchen, you have a double sink here. Again, we can replace this water faucet as well if you would like to change that. And there is hot and cold water available. You do have some utensils that we're going to provide for you. Actually, when you rent this apartment at Saigon Cribs, we're going to actually provide you with another additional cooking and eating utensils as well. So a couple pots and pans that are available here already. All of the appliances are really nice. These are by Malacca. This is a full-on convection microwave oven with grill. So don't get it twisted. This is actually like commercial quality. This is really, really high end. So you can really do some serious cooking with this particular microwave convection oven. So that's a really nice touch. Also by Malacca is the electric cooktop 3-burner, and as well as the oven hood vent to air out, you know, while you're cooking. Get those fans on and let the smoke and, you know, cook smells go up and out. So just giving you a look here. So one of the things that we do with our inspections is, you see there is LED lighting and it stops right about here. And so that's just something that I will do as far as the repair. You know, that comes with our service. When you book with Saigon Cribs, it's not like the other agencies. They just give you the keys and walk away. No, you're gonna get full-on service. We make sure everything is in working order when you rent with Saigon Cribs. Really nice space, upper cabinets here as well, even above the refrigerator as well. So that's a really nice touch. I do like the backsplash. You got kind of like this stone, I believe it's like a ceramic type of countertop, as well as this backsplash is all black and it kind of has a mirrored look, like a tempered glass kind of style. And I think that's a really nice touch. Also, a nice thing to mention is that plenty of plugs, power outlets, power outlet, power outlet. I can't tell you how many times we have luxury apartments and they don't have enough power outlets. So you got enough for your blenders, coffee makers, and all of that here. So that's another good plus to put out there. All right, so we're gonna check out, this is a Hitachi with the inverter, dual fan cooling there. Really nice large size fridge, definitely suitable for 2 or more people. If you're just one single person, is more than enough. Ample space here. Got your ice makers here in the freezer. Plenty of shelving space as well. And it's a really, really nice size fridge. So this is definitely a good look, good style there. Got your temperature controls here. Also, I want to mention the drinking water. So you have the options of getting these type bottles. It's 18.5 liters, cost you between 50 to 60,000 per bottle. You have to order like 3 bottles minimum and pay a deposit around the same amount for each bottle when you get it. So you have this option, you know, you get the bottle with the spout, spigot, so you can just, you know, pour some drinking water for yourself. You can also get a standing water filter as well. You can get one that goes on a desktop. So you could probably put one like next to the sink here because it'll need a little bit of a water line. You could put one there if you want it kind of like a tabletop, countertop water filter. You know, there's plenty of options like that. Or you can get one that goes underneath of the cabinet. So there's also options that are filtered directly through the water line. So there's plenty of options, but just FYI, when you're making your plans for your drinking water, those are several options that we will be discussing. Also, I mentioned here, you do have the Convection system. This is for allowing your guests to be called up. You press the key button that brings them up the elevator to your apartment. All right, let's walk right into the living room here. Again, you got your 4-top dining room table here set up for you and your guests. Nice big size sofa, got a nice area rug there as well. And this TV is a curved TV. So this is a curved Samsung TV, has really nice sound. Right now watching the previous tour, Saigon Cribs. This is near the airport. And so this is a really nice TV, I can tell you. And also the angle is quite nice. So even if you're sitting at the other side, you can still see it. So it's actually a really nice size. It's about 65-inch TV. So as far as entertainment, you're set up. We also have the TV 360 box. This is set up with the Viettel service, right? So this is a router mesh box. This extends the service. So you extend throughout every single room of the apartment. And this gives you every single smart TV feature, as well as 4K. And you can also add your own apps. So you can set up everything you want on this TV and you're all good and ready to go. So FYI on that. Just a brief note on the curtains. They are blackout. You can see the rubber seal here. So these are complete blackout curtains, and you have the sheer layer as well. So really nice artwork as well. It is really cool. Lighting is a big point. You know, a lot of houses have the really harsh, bright lighting, and some of them are seem like it's from an office, you know what I mean, or government building. So, you know, you don't want those big halogen lights. These are really nice recessed lighting, as well as the soft lights for the, you know, hanging chandeliers. And this one here, really nice. Has a little sparkle to it. I can't really see it in the camera. There you go. Yeah, you got that action going on with the chandelier. That's kind of cool. There's also LED kind of throughout the apartment. I mean, throughout, you know, almost each room. Another one that I'm seeing that the LED will need a repair here. It stops about here, and we need to fix the remainder. So there's a lot of LED to kind of create a mood, and you can turn all of these on and off, and, you know, really set the kind of tone that you want to have. You know, one of the things I would do to kind of improve the decor, you know, get some nice tropical trees here, maybe get a floor lamp in that corner, so you can really kind of like one that goes above the sofa. I think those things would be really nice and kind of make it like more homely. And also I mentioned the storage space. There's a lot of storage space. 3 huge cabinet spaces here. You got upper storage space here, and these little mini storage spaces that maybe you can put wine or something along that nature. And it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more there, open shelving. So there's a lot of mini storage spaces around in the house. So let's head back into the bedrooms and let's go. All right, so the first room here on the left side is the utility room with the washer and dryer stack. This dryer machine is provided by Saigon Cribs. We are providing this for our tenant. The washing machine was here already, which is also a really good one by Electrolux. So really does a great job. Electrolux is used by professionals. And so we went ahead and stacked the dryer machine. So this is brand new, still under warranty. This is your central hot water machine by Ferrari. So again, you have hot water in every single faucet, your kitchen, your bathroom faucets. This is not at every single apartment complex, but it's good to see at the complexes that do have it. There's a light here as well. Both of these are front loading machines. So yeah, this is already set up, ready to go. So in the hallway here, you have the bathroom on the left, the primary bedroom, and the junior bedroom, which we'll walk into first. And this is a really awesome space. This is a huge queen size bed, and it's really comfortable. Wow, I mean, look how much bend that has. So this is like really hotel quality, super soft mattresses that are available in this house. You can mount the TV here if you would like, with the plugs there, you know, pulled up so that it has a really nice seamless look. You don't have cables dangling down and things of that nature. Huge window, rolling shades. Got a nice work desk here with some open shelving. And again, you see those LED lights again. Like I said, it's kind of part of the core style here. And another thing I'll mention, that when you rent with Saigon Cribs, we're giving you your bed linens. So it's not set up and prepared for the next guest yet, but we do provide the bed linens. Really nice large closet here. Again, has the LED lights inside. You got some pull-out drawers. This is kind of like for, you can put some makeup or jewelry and things of that nature to be organized nicely. And the other side has a drawer. So that has a lower drawer, if you can, store some things in there as well. And it has upper shelving as well. So you can also store some things away there. A lot of people use this as, secondary room and put your luggage bags away and things of that nature. The air cons are made by Toshiba. And so these also really nice, high quality machines. They run very well. Before you move in, we make sure they are serviced, make sure they're cleaned and filled with coolant. So that's another thing to note. Now walking into the bathroom, so this is the first bathroom you would use for guests. And so this is the main one in the hallway. Walk in and close, shower, nice floating vanity. And it has a large medicine cabinet. You don't see these also very often. They have this nice size medicine cabinet. You can store everything in here. So this is really, really huge. Oops, a daisy. And you also have your power plug there. Well, there's two of them. You can blow on your hair and curling it. And towel rack there. And yeah, I want to mention that the flooring has a dark wood flooring for each of the bedrooms. Kind of makes it a little bit more warmer. Awesome primary bedroom, very spacious. This is a king size bed here with the leather headboard, and it wraps around as well throughout the entire bed. So that's a really nice touch with the leather ottoman there sitting there. This could be your makeup table or another little side, table to get some work done, or especially to keep your devices, your cell phone charged. You do have the power there, of course. Then you have this open shelving here in the river canyon action going on there. And this one is a kind of interesting because this kind of looks like a hidden door to me. So you can open this up here and you have some open shelving there that you can tuck some things away. Some people can put your bags or things of that nature. So all good there. And then you also have a huge wall TV unit here. Again, you can mount your TV here, without the cables dangling, got the power, everything there. Same in the living room, you have these. These are massive drawers and they work really, really nice, especially for a bedroom because you can store so much in here. You can put shirts, pants, or anything in there. And they're really huge and really deep. So, that's really great to have this storage. And it also blends in really nicely. It kind of tucks away and feels, kind of hidden, with the white. So that's really, really great. Open shelving here. Again, you're getting fresh new, brand new bed linens when you rent with Saigon Cribs and towels. So when you move in, we have a private car, picks you up from the airport, brings you right to the apartment, and everything is set up just like an Airbnb. Side table here, got a nice drawer here as well. Little side table lamp and the power plugs there to get your devices. Also, the blackout curtains are here with the sheer layers. All right, so that's FYI. These windows do open, so you can open these to get fresh air. There's two of them in this area here. And let's head into the other side, which takes us to the large closet area here. So again, really nice open shelving, got the mirror backdrop. It's really, really feels like you're in a kind of a boutique shop, like a luxury bag shop or something along that nature. Got this kind of like trim here going on with the brass throughout. And when you open the closet, of course, there's LED that turns on automatically. And with your lower and upper shelving, I'll show the tie rack for your jewelry, and things of that nature, also with the soft clothes. All right, so the upper shelving there, upper shelving here. Again, a lot of storage space. You're combining that plus this, is really, really a lot. These even have this little small one here. So maybe suit coats and things of that nature, and these open up here. And then you have the other door here. So this opens up with the LED lighting. So shelving there. And this one goes a little bit over to that side. And then the upper one here as well, which also tucks away a little bit over there. So, that's the closet action. Really, really dope. Full mirror here, so you can see yourself as you're getting ready. See my handsome stuff right now. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. All right, and then heading to the primary bedroom bath. All right, so this has a bigger, full walk-in shower. This is huge. Has your drain there and the shower head here. You can also replace the shower head to any style that you wanted to. There is an air vent as well, and nice toilet. Really nice floating vanity here, and as well, of course, it has a huge makeup cabinet here. Really, really nice. Nicely done. Hot and cold water again in both faucets. Power outlet, towel rack. All right, thank you for watching this episode again with Saigon Cribs. I hope you enjoyed this tour of this apartment. If you're looking to rent an apartment in Saigon Cribs, hit us up on WhatsApp, Zallo. You can also send us an email. I'll have the number and links and everything below. Hey, what we do is a custom search service. So you tell us exactly what you're looking for. You let us know what your budget is, and then our team goes out and help you to find it. So hit us up on WhatsApp and let's find the perfect place for you. Thank you for watching Saigon Cribs. Check out this next video tour, and please like and subscribe. Thanks so much.